Hi and welcome to David Tom Creations YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be having a look at the updated version of Native Instruments Analog Dreams and just showing you quickly what the new features are. This was just released yesterday, so I thought I'd have a look at it and just let you see what they have done. They've added in quite a lot, to be perfectly honest. Right, so this is my main Analog Dreams. So to actually get to the new version, you have to click on this Banks. So this is the original one, 1.0, and we are wanting to have a look at 2.0. So there's a whole lot of new presets, so we'll just click this one to get it loaded up. Right, so here we go. So I mean, it looks basically the same as far as graphic wise. You've got the same controls down here, but all the new sections are up here. So I'm using my M32 keyboard, and we'll just have a look. We'll go through the as you can see, that is some new stuff. Right, so if we click on sound, you get both the A and the B, all the kind of layers, filters, LFOs, what have you, which you can obviously adjust using the control knobs down here or up here. So that is quite cool. So you've got different effects here, which you can click on, and it will show you what has been set. So you can actually change the order of these. So if we I mucked about with that one. Yeah, so you can switch these off and on. Right, so that's them all off. And that is them all on. And then you can add in and this is the new sequencer, and you have 3 sets of macros, so and they kind of relate to the so you've got these first two, 1 and 2, and then you've got 3 and 4, resonance and flare, and obviously these change depending on which preset, and then we've got delay and reverb, and then pitch velocity. So you can just drag and create a new kind of pattern, and you can change the number of steps. So we can go down to 8, and then you can change the direction we're on forward, and then you can change that to backward, forward and backward, backward, forward, etc., etc. So like I said, we could change that to forward, backward. So there we go. Whack that back up to 16. So you can do this in real time, and then we need to add in an amount. so that is the kind of basic idea. Right, let's try another. We'll go down to browser. Right, well, this one's already been kind of quite a lot done to it, so you can see they've knocked that down to 7 steps for some reason, and then what you can do is you've also got the different macros. So this is just only got one effect, which is that choral one. And then you can assign a new one, so we can have the cutoff, and then we can take the cutoff down. There we go. And you can see it affecting the cutoff there, and then obviously you can go into each of these, and I think there's actually some presets as well. So you've got soften, mirror, so yeah, you can have hours of fun. Invert, so it's going back that way. So let's take this actually up to 16. There we go. And then you just click that. So the one thing that they have changed is the order on my keyboard. I have the 8 knobs that relate to these. So on version 2, they've now changed the balance. So the balance used to be the first knob on the left hand side. So for some reason, they've now changed the balance to the 7th knob beside the volume. And I don't know why they've done that. So it doesn't match up now. So the first knob from the left is the cutoff, and then reducer. So I'm going along 1, 2, 3. But on version 1, they haven't actually updated that to match this. So if you switch between 1 and 2, you're going to have to remember that the balance between the two. So balance switches between obviously the A. So that's all A, and this is all B, and you just balance the two. So I don't know why they've done that. It makes no logical sense, because it now doesn't match the keyboard. And like I said, and version 1 is, because I checked back to see if version 1 had been updated, but it hasn't. So they might do that so that they're both the same. So apart from that, it's very, I mean, obviously the knobs are kind of normally controlling. So yeah, a wee bit weird, but never mind. Right, let's have a look at Hideaway, because I don't think it has anything in the sequencer. So we'll start off from scratch. So, or has it got? Oh, it has. Right, so it's got this. Right, so it has a kind of basic pitch shift. So let's change this and bring it down on those. And we'll change the velocity. Right, we'll leave those alone and we'll go into the sequence. Right. So let's tool around with the cutoff. So we'll change that to forward and back, and let's just right. So hang on. So this is yeah, that was kind of the original. Let's put that back up. So yeah, that was kind of the original malarkey. So yeah, you get the idea. It was pretty cool. So yeah, like I said, it's pretty powerful stuff, and you can latch and re-trigger. So if I press that one key, it will just keep going until I press another key. There we go. So yeah, alright, so you just click that and click it back off. So yeah, that is a brief, very quick intro to the new version of Analog Dreams. And like I said, there's a whole ton of new presets. Browser. I beg your pardon. So try a few more. What have we got? Blow up in your face. Yeah, maybe not the best one, but yeah, as you see, there's tons, and you can just filter them the same as you could in version 1. Yeah, let's look at Dark Star. This is probably quite... Okay, so once I've had a chance to get into this a bit more, I will do an actual track and record various different kind of using sequencer and yeah, effects and macros, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.